My name's Stephanie Villasanti. I'm the lead professor at Collin College's new Collision Technology program. We have now been in operation for 4 weeks on our brand new state-of-the-art facilities here in Allen, Texas. What sets us apart from other collision technology programs is we have the exact same equipment that you would see in repair facilities. We want our students to be competent, capable, and comfortable technicians for the industry. We have the same equipment that you'd see in a modern collision shop. We actually utilize a dustless sanding system here.
What I like about Garmat is that they're made right here in America, so our students will be prepared for both today's technology and tomorrow's technology.
We contribute to the community by helping people help themselves through earning marketable skills in the industry. Those include certifications from ICAR. Our students will leave with ICAR Platinum certifications in refinishing and non-structural repair, as well as Pro Level 1 in estimation and Pro Level 1 in structural repair. We've also partnered with Mercedes and Toyota for our students to be able to earn manufacturer certifications throughout the program. With the certification skills that students earn here, they'll be able to go and work anywhere in the world in the industry.
I took collision technology because I thought it would be a good industry to go into and to learn new things as well.
I decided to take collision technology because it's a quickly growing industry, and I took it for 2 years at high school and then really enjoyed it.
Now is the best time to enter this industry. Your average age of a technician is 48 years old. There's a great need of new technicians in this industry, and it's always in demand.